Hi, I'm Kyle from DecksDirect, and today we're going to walk you through the difference between the CAMO Edge Clip and the CAMO EdgeXClip. It's actually pretty simple. The CAMO Edge Clip is used for the installation of straight boards, so anything that's just running straight across the joist. The X-Clip is a really cool clip that allows us to do an installation of angled decking, so like a 45 as an example. So the main difference is the X-Clip has these little pieces here that you actually push down on and then insert into the grooved part of your decking, and that allows you to run them at an angle. And the CAMO Edge Clip actually sits right over the joist, which makes the installation pretty easy. They each come with a bit, and they also come with this yellow never miss guide. And what that allows you to do is set it over the screw like this. It comes up through the top like a funnel, and then you can quickly install your fastener. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave us a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.